Welcome to our channel. If you need to request an IRS tax transcript and want to use USPS for secure mailing, follow these quick steps to obtain your transcript. Step 1. Visit the IRS website at irs.gov and navigate to the Get Transcript section. Step 2. Choose between requesting your transcript online or by mail. Online requests are faster but require account verification. Step 3. If requesting by mail, select Get Transcript by Mail and provide your Social Security number, date of birth, and mailing address. Step 4. The IRS will process your request and mail your transcript to the address you provided within 5 to 10 business days. Step 5. Alternatively, you can request a transcript by calling the IRS at 1-800-908-9946 and providing the necessary information over the phone. Step 6. If you need your transcript urgently, visit a local IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center in person to request immediate service. Step 7. Once your transcript arrives via USPS, verify that all information is accurate and complete. Step 8. Store your transcript securely, as it contains sensitive tax information. Step 9. If your transcript does not arrive within the expected time frame, contact the IRS to inquire about the status of your request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.